come to a pool after a hurricane, first thing we're going to do to clean it up is we're going to brush around the tie line, brush the stairs into the pool. We're going to scoop as many netfuls out of the bottom so that we can vacuum it all in one sweep without, filling and emptying our hammerhead or riptide bags too many times. If you're a homeowner and your system vacuuming your pool, make sure that you net it extra more than this so you're not clogging up your pump basket. At the top, let everything settle to the bottom. Then we're going to empty our baskets. And slowly vacuum the pool from one side to the other. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Happy pool.